Geobyte.
Dear students, energy means capacity for doing work. Okay, capacity for doing work is called energy. Look at the complete definition. The energy of a body is defined as its capacity for doing work. The capacity for doing work is called energy. Okay. Similarly, look at the another important point. Since energy of a body is the total quantity of work done, therefore it is a scalar quantity. Energy and work both are coming under scalar quantities. Okay. Now look at the dimensional formula. Let us take the dimensional formula for energy. It is m L power 2 T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula. Same as same as work or torque. Okay. Similarly, look at the units. The energy is measured in joules in SI system or ergs in CGS system. Okay. Some other practical units are other practical units for energy are first one electron volt, electron volt, EV, kilowatt hour, kilowatt hour, kilowatt hour, kWh, kilowatt hour, and third one calories, calories. Okay, dear friends, remember one electron volt small e capital V equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Okay, 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. Next, 1 calorie equal to 4.18 joule. Similarly, 1 joule equal to 1 joule equal to 10 power 7 x. These are the different units, right? Try to remember them. Understood? Yes.
Geobyte.